David with Rapid Materials here. Today I want to talk to you about Buschmann edge benders. Buschmann makes a line of exactly what they call them, edge benders. They're designed to sit on the edge of a piece of sheet metal and bend the edges up. This particular tool is called the pocket bender. It's designed to make bends anywhere from about 1/4 of an inch all the way up to 2 inches away from the sheet metal. It's absolutely easy to adjust. You slide it up and down on the shaft. I think you can see the index markings there. You set it where you want it to go, lock it down with a little red handle, slide your sheet over the edge of your sheet metal, roll it back and forth, work it up, and you can make up to a 90-degree bend with this. Now you'll notice this bearing is canted. That allows you to overbend. If you've worked with sheet metal before, you know that if you don't overbend, you don't get a true 90-degree. So this will overbend it and allow you to get that true 90-degree. And of course, you can bend it to any increment between 0 and 90 degrees. This tool is very well made. It's all cast aluminum housing, stainless steel shafts, stainless steel bearings, very good quality poly grips. These are manufactured in Europe, actually in the country of Latvia. And very, very good quality, probably the best stuff you're going to see on the market today, and at a price that is very, very difficult to beat. Let me show you another. This particular model is called the S60, and it's part of the S series. The S series has tools that go from the S60 all the way up to the S350. The S350 simply being a much deeper tool. The S60 has a maximum bending depth of about 2.5 inches, where the S350 would be somewhere in the neighborhood of about 12 inches. And again, they're infinitely adjustable from about 1/4 of an inch up to whatever you need it. This particular tool will go up to 2.5 inches. Now, I don't have the locking knob on this because the locking knobs are packaged separately, and I didn't want to break open the package to show you this little demonstration. But one of the primary differences is if you look at the carriage of this tool, it's wider. It gives you more bearing against the edge of the sheet metal, so you get more stability. Now, if you're doing longer straight panels, the S60 or the S100 or S250 or whatever it may be, it's going to be a great tool. Highly recommend them if you're doing work up to maybe 15 or 20 feet. If you get beyond that, I would look at the DXL models. Now, I don't have a DXL model here, but the difference being is the DXL model has 2 sets of shafts like this. One's about out here. It's got a different handle on it, but it allows you to work longer straight panels. If you're working on a 50-foot rake flashing and you've got to put a hem on it, or you need to bend up a 90-degree angle on the edge of that panel, the DXL models are going to be a much better option. Now, everything that they do is very well made. Let me show you a disc bender. So the disc bender is exactly that. It's a disc, but what this does is allows you to take that 90-degree bend and overbend it to up to 180, essentially a hem. So again, on the rake panel, you want to hem it around and hook it on the rake. You can take this tool, put it on that 90-degree bend you've already made, work it back and forth, and you've got 180. It's a super great tool to use. Now, they have just recently introduced a dual disc version of this, and on those super long panels, that dual disc version is going to be a great option. They're not on our website yet. Be looking for those in the next couple of weeks. The quality is, again, very good. Nice cast housings, stainless steel everything, great quality poly parts, and all Buschmann tools include a bag for storage or for carrying that is made of canvas. It keeps your tool dry, keeps it well protected. You can put it in your toolbox or in your truck box, keep dust and debris out of it, and keep it looking pretty for the lifespan of the tool, which we think would be many, many years. In any case, wish I could demonstrate it for you. Again, we have restrictions, so we can't really do that today. Go on our website, go on our YouTube site. You'll see other tools being demonstrated that do exactly the same thing. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Here to help out any time of day. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you all soon.